Hey, in front of me is iPhone 13 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now scroll down just a bit and tap on General. After that, you need to choose About section at the top and click on Name. Now type in wherever you wish to. I will go with Moon. And when you're ready, select About at the top left corner. As you can see, after that, name of my smartphone has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!